from the statement of I'll take you from the statement of Majority Leader Noynoy Andaya yesterday. Ang sabi po ni Majority Leader Andaya, pagkatapos po niyang banggitin na mag-adjourn yata kayo mag-adjourn sila, he said that he thanked the senators for working overtime on the budget, but we will just see each other for the BICAM next year. So, ibig po sabihin yan, yung mensahe niyan is, even if we finish the budget on our part here in the Senate, second and third reading, hindi talaga matatapos at mararatify yan kasi gusto ni Majority Leader Andaya na ang BICAM will be next year pa. So, parang, ba't pa tayo maghihirap na yun at nagpupuyat? As you can see, we're all very tired. We've worked 12-hour, sometimes 14-hour days, Monday to Friday, and today, Monday to Thursday, na hindi naman kakayanin tapusin itong taon na ito. So the mood of the senators is just to continue this on January 14. We still have a lot of budgets to be tackled. Yung DOT, hindi pa tapos.